Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your app. So let's just go right into your app store. In your app store, you guys will see your very last option where it says updates. Well, second last option. You guys will probably see this once you pop this open. But down here below, you guys can tap on updates and you guys will see this one. So you guys can click on update for Reddit right now, or you guys can search it up. So let's just search it up just in case you guys don't see it there. So let's just type it in, search for it, and you guys should see right here, update. So let's just update it. It might ask you for your passcode at this moment, and depending on the update, it might take longer or shorter. Usually I recommend being connected to Wi-Fi for these things, but it doesn't really matter. Anyways, let's just minimize this. If you guys don't see an update there, maybe you guys need to update your iOS before you get all these other updates. So let's just go right into your settings. Under settings, scroll down, it says general. Under general, your second option will be software update. Under software update, you guys will see if you guys need to update your iOS. So maybe you guys are in iOS 10 and will need to update to iOS 12. Right here, it will tell you. Right now, it's telling me that my iOS is up to date, okay? So maybe you guys have an iPad 2, for example, and you guys have iOS 9. Well, there's nothing you guys can really do about that because there's certain iDevices that can only go up to a certain iOS. So don't fall for any scams that you guys will see online because you guys cannot update your iOS if your iDevice is not compatible with the latest iOS, okay? So just be happy with that, but you guys will get updates for it, but they're gonna be compatible updates for your iOS. All right, in your search, you guys might come around jailbreaking. Jailbreaking is great. It still won't allow you to upgrade to the latest iOS, but jailbreak will open up a whole new world for you. So if you have an older iDevice, maybe it's a good idea to do that if you guys want to. I used to do that all the time before, and remember, it's free, so don't fall for any scams on that as well. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.